12mm GetaCore material can also be used without a substrate as a windowsill. The crucial advantage is that the material is water resistant, so no additional moisture proofing is required. The installation methods generally recommended are sit-on mounting with elastic adhesives such as PU adhesives or MS polymers, embedding in polyurethane mounting foam, or placement and cavity foaming with polyurethane mounting foam. Where one component PU adhesive is used, we recommend the following. Cut the 12mm material to size. Remembering to allow for the expansion joint required. Detailed information about calculating expansion joints is provided in the GetaCore processing booklet. Sharp edges should be chamfered or milled with a 3mm radius cutter. Then sand the surface to the required final finish. The surface to which the adhesive is to be applied must be firm, clean and dry. The layer of adhesive should be at least 1.5mm thick and no less than 10mm wide. The beads are applied across the whole width and should be no more than 80mm apart. If necessary, use spacers to ensure that the layer of adhesive is not less than the minimum thickness required. After installing the windowsill, lightly tap it with a rubber mallet and padded block. If necessary, use a spirit level to make sure that it's perfectly level. To ensure the windowsill is sufficiently secured against tipping forward, it must be slid under the window frame or fastened to it, for example by a U profile or angle brackets. An overhang of more than 100mm at the front should be avoided because the more overhang there is, the lower the loading capacity of the material. After approximately 12 hours, the MS polymer adhesive is hard enough for further processing. It takes 24 hours to cure completely. Should any surface damage have occurred during installation, this can now be removed by sanding once more. Seal the gaps between windowsill and wall and window frame with MS polymer adhesive. Before sealing, clean the surface with isopropyl alcohol or methylated spirits.